And I was talking to my daughter today, and it's trying to really define my cooking style. Um, and I think that would probably be important. I'm Southern. Um, um, I cook for me. Cooking is like I said, it's grounding for me. So how I shop with cooking in mind. I shop. Um, my pantry is built because I know certain things are staples.
Okay.
And I have to have certain things, certain canned items, certain flour, sugar, you know, um, tomatoes, certain things that are always in my pantry. Kidney beans, navy beans, whatever it is. Um, but that's a way of life for me. And
Okay.
so um,
What do you
whether
what do you cook?
um, proteins, chicken, beef, steak, pork, pastas, soups. I cook to live. I cook to eat. I um, um, I don't do a lot of like I'll watch people cook stuff, and it'll be something that's impressive to watch to cook, but I'll be like, who's gonna eat that? Like for real talk, who's gonna eat a, um, a pasta and bechamel then fried with the chunk of cheese? It's impressive to watch them cut it open, but the amount of effort that you just put, it's so that's what I'm saying. I guess I really need to really define being able to define what I cook. So I cook. I'm on a grill a lot. I smoke. I cook. I smoke. I grill. Sauces, um, ribs, um, um, slow cooking. I do a lot of slow cooking. Chicken, pork, beef, soups. I love soups. Um, so I don't know if home. I guess I could say home cooking, elevated home cooking. You know, I don't really. I've never really thought about how to define it. You know, to be able to.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't so you don't have to this is another example of why showing up every week is how you get where you're going.
Yeah.
You will figure it out along the way as you will it may take reflecting on your own body of work where you look back at 20 episodes and go, okay, I see what I've done. I like this, or I don't like this. I'm doing too much of this and I really want to go in this direction. But you find that out after you start showing up. So you gotta give yourself a chance to figure out this. It's kind of like some folks know what they want to do. Like some folks say, okay, I'm a vegan chef. This is what I do. Others don't. They need to kind of figure out, well, what exactly am I trying to communicate about food? What do I want to focus on? And you just need to do some walking and figure it out. And
Yeah.
that
So
walking is showing up every week.
yeah, creating that content.
Yeah.
Yeah. And in a nutshell, I mean, in a nutshell, to me, like it's life. Cooking is life. Like I said, my daughter's in grad school, and we talk about, she convenience. Nowadays people cooking has become a niche where my mom cooked every day, cooked and my dad worked at night, so she would cook for us, then she would cook something for my dad for him to take to lunch. Cooking was, you know, um, my one of the things my dad used to tell me was that um, the more things that you know how to do, or the more things that you can do for yourself, the more things a woman will want to do for you. The less that you have to ask a woman to do, the more she'll do for you. So being learning how to cook was um, a huge learning principle in my household, from my
Okay.
father to my mother. to be self-sufficient. And then just over the years, from me working in the business, I guess that I've been able to elevate what I learned from home or home cooking and to make it extremely appealing to other people. So, yeah, I mean, I get what you're saying. Show up, create some content, and put it out there.